you have attachment to your home, and if you have attachment to this material world, then don't come to Vamshivat.
Okay.
Rup Goswami is writing. Because if you come here, you will become so attracted, you will not go back.
Go back. Right.
Smeram, Bhangi, because his smiling form. One of the reasons why Vrindavan is higher than Mathura is because of Vamshivat.
Okay.
Because Vamshivata is present in Vrindavan. And that is why the Rasalila of the Lord is
Right.
higher than his Janma Leela.
Right. Okay. It's higher than the Janma Leela. Right.
यहाँ गयान गुदड़ी में कोई मंदिर नहीं बना है उद्धव जी का? है? उद्धव जी का मंदिर नहीं है?
वो ये मतलब राधा जी
यही है राधा जी और उद्धव जी का
मंदिर तो नहीं है, ओनली द टच नहीं तो द्वारका
विदुर एंड उद्धव both are there.
Vidur and Uddhav. ఇది పట్టుకోండి, తీస్తా ఉండండి. అది ఒకసారి
నాన్న దియద్దా పై ఏది మమ్మీ మమ్మీ
So in this place is a very significant place because here we understand the greatness of bhakti over gyan. भक्ति है वो ज्ञान से ऊंची है. ज्ञान और वैराग्य ये भक्ति की दो पुत्रियां हैं, दासियां हैं. भक्ति इज नोन एज महादेवी एंड ज्ञान एंड वैराग्य आर हिज टू डॉटर्स, हर टू डॉटर्स. तो यहाँ उद्धव जी भगवान कृष्ण का ज्ञानमय संदेश लेके आए थे, लेकिन गोपियों का प्रेम देख के उद्धव जी को लगा कि मेरा खुद का सेवा कुछ नहीं है, मैं द्वारका में जो भगवान का सेवा करता हूँ वो कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ गोपियाँ तो एक क्षण के लिए भी अपना पलक जब बंद होता है उस क्षण के लिए भी भगवान का दर्शन से वंचित नहीं रहना चाहता. मैं तो कितना घंटे तक दूर रहता हूँ भगवान से, मुझे तो कुछ नहीं होता. So he understood the greatness of the love because he tried to teach them about Gyan, Brahma Gyan. You think that Krishna is all pervading. Why are you thinking about so much attached to his form? You think he is all pervading, then you will not cry in separation. So the gopis told Uddhava, you cannot understand us. Even if we want to forget Krishna, we cannot forget Krishna. That is the level of our Krishna consciousness. So Radharani started speaking to Uddhava, not directly to Uddhava, because Radharani is very humble. Actually, first when Uddhava came here, all the gopis mistook him from Krishna only.
His form is so similar.
Because Uddhava was wearing all Krishna's garment, Mahaprasad garments, and Uddhava's eyes are also like lotus petals, and Uddhava's bodily color also is a little bluish. His hands are also long, and he was wearing all Krishna's Vaijayanti garlands, the Mahaprasad. So first they thought he is Krishna, but then they saw no. So then they asked him, where have you come from? He says, I have come with Krishna's message. Then when the gopis were not satisfied with his message of Brahma Gyan, then Uddhava told a secret message from Krishna. He had brought two types of message. One message was of Gyan message, and then when they were not satisfied, then Uddhava gave the another secret message. So what was the secret message? Uddhava said, he said Krishna has told that every night actually he is doing Rasila with all of you in Vrindavan, because he has never left Vrindavan only. The Krishna who has gone to Dwarka is only Vasudeva Krishna. If you have nothing, you have to fear. That's right. So every night Krishna does this pastime with you, then you forget, then again you start trying in separation from him. but actually Krishna is always with you. That was the message which Uddhava gave. But still Radha was, because that Radha was Virahini Radha. There are three kinds of Radha also. Vam Radha, Kam Radha and Virahini. One Radha went back to Goloka. One Radha was suffering in separation here. And one Radha knew that Krishna never leaves Vrindavan.
So she remained with him in Vrindavan.
No, she went back to Goloka. One Radha met Krishna in Kurukshetra. And one Radha was suffering in separation.
Okay. Vam Radha, Kam Radha and Virahini.
Virahini.
Virahini Radha. Three expansions of Radha. Yeah. So that is why the place. Actually, the whole Uddhava Radha Samvad is known in Bhagavatam as Brahmana Geet. Brahmana Geet, because Uddhava, when a bee, when bee started going around Radha, so Radha, to teach Uddhava, she was talking to that bee. Because she thought, I cannot teach Uddhava. Uddhava is a great associate of Krishna. So indirectly she was telling him about her mood by addressing that bee. He's saying, she told the bee that, see this Krishna, he's such a lampata, he's a debauchee. He's enjoying with us for 11 years and now he's sending us Brahma Gyan message in order to make us to forget him.
Right.
How can we forget him?
Right.
It's impossible. So it's like that she was talking. And Uddhava, and tears were flowing continuously. This whole place was full with the gopis' tears. They said, why have you come with this kind of a message? We thought that you are going to bring Krishna. Krishna will come back. And then Uddhava became so much absorbed in that love of... When he saw the Radha's body and his Mahabhav, he had never seen that kind of ecstasy, and Uddhava started rolling in the dust here. He said, I want to become the dust of the gopis. If they don't make me the dust of the gopis, I will become the
Creeper.
creeper. At least they will step on me. If they don't accept me in their service, so he went to Govardhan and he became that creeper.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
ఉద్యోగ వెళ్ళాం కదా ఉద్యోగ కుండ్
From here he went to... He said, I don't want to go back to Dwarka.
he remained here in the form of creeper.
In one form he went back. Because he had to serve Krishna.
Yeah.
He remained here.
Then when Krishna left Dwarka, he went to Goloka. He instructed Uddhava, you stay here. So Uddhava is still living in
ऊपर आ
Naimisharanya.
रहा है देखना फिर जंप नहीं करना चाहिए. Don't be so scared, Nana. Nothing will happen.
Brahma went even crying to the Lord. He says, if I cannot become a creeper also in Vrindavan, if I cannot take birth as an animal in Vrindavan, at least let me become a stone. Brahma wrote a prayer in the Bhagavatam. He said, I am willing to become a stone in Vrindavan. So somebody asked him why. He said, at least when their lotus feet, when Krishna's feet and they are dirty, after roaming, at least they'll come and clean it on the stones. So I'll get the benefit. So I mean, it is such a sublime, this Vrindavan, that even the Devatas are not getting entry here.
Right.
And Uddhava was humbled by coming here because he met his match. He met somebody
So
here.
Brahma Gyan was no match for the pure love of the gopis.
There are two main places like this. One is this Chausat Mahant area and the other is Radha Damodar temple. In the back side, all the acharyas, those who are not here, they are there.
Yeah.
అవును అది చూసాం కదా మనం.
And here Radha and Krishna, they came after Ras Leela and they were thirsty, the gopis, I told, no, that Bedu Koop is here.
Right.
Yeah, last time also we saw it in
Yeah.
the Venu Koop.
Chusko.
It directly goes to Patal.
Which one, Swamiji?
వేణుగోప.
Venugopa. Right.
One has to jump in to actually realize. You will meet Bali Maharaj there. This is the... This is the original Samadhi of Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. Raghunath Bhatta Goswami ki. Gauridas Pandit, Raghunath Bhatt, 1570. 1570. They came in 1550, but 1570 is the date when Radha Govinda temple was established. That was the first temple established in Vrindavan. That story I'll tell you. The 64 Mahat. Satyabhama, you know Satyabhama, the queen in Dwarka. You know how she became Satyabhama? You know, in her previous life, she was
Bhudevi, no?
she performed the Kartik Vrata, and she wanted to have Krishna as her husband. So when Krishna accepted her as a consort, she told in the Kartik Mahatmya in the Padma Puran, Krishna actually confesses to Satyabhama that I accepted you as my wife only because of Kartik Vrata.
Okay. Right.
Because you did this Kartik Vrata for 1 month. Kartik Vrata is of different types. You can do it like the Gopis did, they did here. They made a murti of Katyayani from the Jamuna sand. At the time Jamuna was nearby. They made a deity of Katyayani from the sand, and they worshipped. And Devi, and in the evening they used to, after sunset only, they used to eat only once.
Khichdi, no?
Only khichdi with water.
For 1 year?
For 1 month.
Kartik.
But there's one more story, no? Swamiji, when Vamana, not Vamana, Varaha avatar,
Yes.
when Varaha lifted Prithvi, because of the sparsh of Varaha, Prithvi, Naraka Asura,
Yeah, she became.
Naraka Asura was born.
Yeah.
And he was given a Vardhan that only mother can feed the son. And Prithvi being the mother of Narakasura, he became very powerful, so nobody can slay him. Then
Bhudevi to
he
Krishna.
used the form of Prithvi, Satyabhama, so that in Satyabhama's hands,
Okay.
Narakasura can be killed.
That Krishna shows to the world that he is ready to kill even his own son
Son, correct.
if they are against his devotees.
Devotees, right.
Devotees are even greater than his.
Sons.
Relations.
So,
That story is also true, is it, Swamiji?
yes, Satyabhama was instrumental in killing that Krishna.
Narakasura.
Insects.
Saying?
You have mentioned
Kartik
Yeah,
Mas.
Kartik.
Mas. Vrata.
See, Avatar. He recovered the Vedas, and Matsya Avatar killed one Rakshasa. His name was Agni Asur. He was killed in the month of Kartik. Krishna described to Satyabhama the glories of the Kartik month. And on the Diwali day in Kartik, 2 Leelas happened. One is Yashoda, she tied Krishna. The other Leela happened is Lord Shiva, he killed Tripura. With 3 arrows.
Right.
In the Bhagavatam it is described. So they do Dev Diwali. You know, they do Dev Diwali. You have heard that term. Because the demigods are celebrated in the month of Kartik. Because they got released from the Tripuras forever.
Tripuras, right.
So Kartik month has many glories. One of the main glories is that it comes in the conjunction of Kirtika. Kirtika is a kind of a nakshatra, a Surya nakshatra. When the Surya nakshatra comes, then this month of Kartik is coming. It is known as, some name is there in English. So in that way, this month is very dear to Krishna because it is the month of Radha, Urja. Urja means one should increase the intensities of one's spiritual practices in Kartik.
Right.
Like we do in Ekadashi, one should increase the intensity. That is why it means Urja Vrata. Urja means more power.
Right.
And Radha is full of power, Urjeshwari, the name of Radha. So, no, it is said that Kartika is 3 times more dear to Krishna than Margashish.
But in Bhagavad Gita he said Margashira is important, huh?
I am
Margashira.
the month of Margashira.
Oh, he said he himself.
But more dear than himself is to him is Radha.
So Kartik.
There is only one month which is equal to Kartik, or maybe, I mean, at the same level, maybe not on the same level, but almost equal, is the month of Purushottam. Purushottam Maas, which comes once in 3 years, in the leap year.
Adhik Maas.
Adhik Maas.
Right.
Last year it was there, no? Adhik Maas?
No, it comes 2004, 2008.
Next.
This year is Adhik Maas.
No.
Yeah, this year a leap year. 2008
Next year.
Huh?
Next year.
Multiple of it should be divisible by 4.
Actually, more than happy to, because on that pretext, Katyayani would be able to see the gopis, and ultimately when the gopis, Katyayani gave this vrata to the, actually during this worship of the gopis, Radharani did not worship Katyayani. All other gopis came. Radharani is eternal concert, Lagani Shakti. So when it is compared that Katyayani or Parvati is one fraction, maybe 1/10,000 the fraction of the opulence of Radha. Katyayani.
Right.
So whenever Radha and Krishna's marriage in Bhandirvan and then Radha Krishna's Abhishek, Radharani's Abhishek was done by Vrinda Devi. At that time, Katyayani, Sachi, Indra's wife, Brahma's wife, Saraswati, they all come and praising Radha. So, and here also the Lord is teaching us that one should not disrespect the demigods, because they are my servants. One should not disrespect them. Worship them with the good intention, they will grant my bhakti. So, only one person who can allow you to stay in Vrindavan, that is Radha. So you have to ask her.